Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be unbagging our ice cream beauty bag for the month of February. This is the absolute first time since I've been getting the ice cream beauty box and bag that this one came in before the box. So I'm kind of excited about that. I want to see what's in here. For those of you who are not familiar with the ice cream beauty bag, it is a woman-owned company, and it's one of the rare ones. It still has a description card, which I'm really excited about. Every month that I get it, I'm excited because I can pull it out and give you the information about the items that we actually have. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing, wow, okay, all of these items are really sealed and sealed very well. But the first item that we have is by Bella Cosmetics, and it's this one right here, and this is the Must Be Cindy Lip Kit. Must Be Cindy Lip Kit, okay? And it says non-declining lip kit, unstoppable lip gloss, and boss mode lip liner. So that's what's included inside of this particular package. All right, so what I did is I just took the paper, plastic, the tamper resisting. Well, it's all coming off now. All right, so that way you know if this has been tampered with. But this is the Must Be Cindy times Be Bella. Okay, and it's a non-declining lip kit, and it says the lip liner is called Boss Mode and the lip gloss is called Unstoppable. This one is a cruelty-free product, and in addition to that, I'm checking for a shelf life, y'all. You know how we do. Okay, so I did check it for a shelf life. This one has a 24-month shelf life. I'm here for that. So, you know, in the end, we'll definitely be swatching this one because I can afford to. It will last for up to 2 years. So that's actually very exciting. So this, of course, is the outside packaging. This is what the inside packaging looks like, the liner and the gloss, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for the two, $12. So the packaging is very nice. This is the liner. Is it really? This is what the lip gloss looks like. It's a very thin applicator, but we're okay with that. We're okay with that right now. And this is the liner, which is retractable. Okay, so that is item number one, which actually includes 2 items. Alrighty, so let's just keep going. The next item that we have, nice, is by Beauty Creations, and this is Skin Makeup Remover Wipes, and this is hydrating watermelon, and this one has 30 wipes inside, and it's for all skin types. I'm here for that. And it's a 4.44 ounce size, and this one is a cruelty-free product as well. And let's see what the shelf life is on this one. And it does have a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so that in and of itself is good. Oh, it has a nice watermelon scent, and I didn't even open the packaging. I didn't lift the seal off. I just opened, you know, the little door here. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this package is $5, and this one says the expiration date on it is 5/13/2027. Wonderful shelf life. Wonderful. That's more than 2 years. So I'm here for that. The next item that we have, okay, this was a Beauty Creations month. Okay, the next one is the Beauty Creations Blushing Duo. Now, I'm not even going to open this one, so this one we will not be swatching. It is a it's a duo of a liquid blush. Now, I'm not going to open it because I'm telling you right off the bat, these shades are way too light for me. Okay, and I'm not saying for my shade, I'm saying for me. I can't really appreciate a blush this light on myself. Now, according to this, they really don't look as light as what they seem, but it's all good. The first one is Passion Pink, and the second one is Coral Flush. Now, if you look at the top, you'll see what those shades actually look like. This one has a 9-month shelf life from the time that you open it. It says it's for all skin tones, highly pigmented, and it's blendable and buildable. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this duo is $10. Not bad at all, but I know it's going to go in a giveaway because this is just way too light for me. I know that I can't appreciate shades that are that light for myself. Now, there is one more item in here, and this one is the last item. Beauty Creations Yvette XO Palette. How about that, y'all? All right, and let's see what this one is all about. Okay, it does slide right out. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. That's really a very nice, very, very nice cover. Oh my, okay, before I open that up, let me just read a couple of things to you. It does have a 24-month shelf life. It is a cruelty-free product. And it's called Eyes on Me. This is really nice. This packaging I can really appreciate. Yes, and all that information is right here on the back as well. That says this one is a cruelty-free product and it has a 24-month shelf life. But let me tell you, you are going to appreciate these shades when you see them. It does have a full-size mirror, the full size of the palette. Now, can we just take a moment and appreciate these shades? Look at that. Very, very nice. There are mattes and duochromes and a little bit of shimmer. And yes, these do have names. It's a little difficult to read because of the writing being shimmery white on top of the pink. But this is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I like what I see. They haven't disappointed me, so I'm just saying. So these are the items that were in this month. These are gorgeous. But this one is a Beauty Creations month, that's for sure, because 3 of the 4 items that we received were from Beauty Creations. The other is a Be Bella one. Now, what do you think? Well, I tell you what we're going to do right now. We're going to start swatching, okay? And I am thinking, because I use my makeup wipes often, I'm going to go ahead and open these wipes because we're going to get the full effect. I'm going to swatch the palette, the lippy, and everything except for the blush or blushes, okay? And boy, they smell really nice coming out of the package. They are a decent size. They're a little thin, but they're very nicely moisturized. Well, I should say they're very nice and damp, okay? So let's just go ahead and swatch. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have swatched, and I swatched from the darkest to the lightest and even one shimmer. Okay, so let's just take a look. So here is our gloss. Okay, right here on the end. Next to that is the liner. Now, I do like this liner. I just swiped it once. It didn't seem dark enough. I went over it 2 more times, and it came out to be this shade. Now, this is the lightest shade in the palette. And I did this yellow because sometimes we have a challenge with a yellow shade showing up. But it did that. And this is the darkest shade. And here is the shimmer. Now, let me just say, I don't know if anybody remembers Beauty Creations from back in the day. Now, their I'm just telling you the truth. Their products were not the best. They were not the best. They did not have a deep enough pigmentation. It was just so you could say, oh, well, maybe this will be my practice palette or something like that. But I have to admit, although they are a little chalky-like to me, only because I deliberately did not put a heavy duty moisturizer on my hands before I did this, because I wanted it to be true to the color. All right. And I guess I really should have, because we moisturize our face before we put them on, but they showed up wonderfully. The gloss, the liner, and these shades are gorgeous. Okay. So keep that in mind. Now we're going to use the last product that also came in there. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. Now, I don't know if, well, to me, it's good. I'm rubbing it pretty good so I can get it off. I did see where it took a little bit. It did take a little effort, but only because I'm thinking the pigmentation on these, pretty good. Absolutely pretty good. I can't believe I'm getting ready to show you this, but so this is how it really pulled it off of my hand. So, and it has such a nice scent. It really does. That watermelon is not overpowering. It actually smells nice, but it cleaned it. It cleaned it very well. I don't see or feel a lot. I do see a little bit of shimmer, but that usually happens with everything. And when we use a wipe, we're not exempting ourselves from actually cleansing our skin, but we lift enough of the makeup off of our skin so that when we cleanse our skin, we're getting anything that's left. Using the toners and everything like that after the fact, we're making sure there's no residue. So this did a really good job lifting off those eyeshadows. Okay, so what do you think? What are your thoughts on what you saw? Now, I can appreciate the ice cream beauty bag. Now, we often compare it to the Ipsy bag because the Ipsy bag gives you trial sizes. That has far exceeded the price it was when we originally started. This, however, the ice cream beauty bag is $12.50. However, you do have to pay your shipping. It's different with the box. And as a matter of fact, the box has undergone an increase, but we'll talk about that when the box comes in and I have a chance to show that one to you. But nonetheless, I'll leave all the information down below so you can check it out for yourself. All right. There's also a discount code so that you can get money off on your first subscription bag. Now, let me tell you another thing that I can appreciate with this. Now, with other subscription boxes or bags, you have to go in and give a review about the product. That is not how their point system works. Excuse me. That is not how their point system works. Their point system works when you pay for it. That's when you get points for the products that you receive. Now, it's a set amount of it's a set amount of points, but to not have to worry about a review, it's fantastic when you go in and review. They'll post you on their Instagram, things like that kind of put you out a little further so people can actually see what the looks you created are like in addition to the products. Okay, so just think about that. Cashing in your points for a free product. Okay, I'm here for that. So nonetheless, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our ice cream beauty bag for the month of February. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Now, another thing I forgot to tell you is it's always full-size products. So you're not going to get sample sizes in your bag. All right, just so you know. All right, now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And it's so easy on the pocket because it is free. It is free. If you've already received your products, let me know your thoughts. If you have not, let me know if you're looking forward to receiving it. And if not, if you would like to. if you would like to. Okay, now share this video, share it. They say sharing is caring. My daughter tells me sharing is overrated, but to me, sharing is caring. You want to introduce other people to what I've grown to love, okay? Because I can appreciate and love the fact that we get the products in this manner. All right, now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.